A very interesting question is on the screen. So this is the question, bracket and another bracket, this is bracket, small bracket, negative 15 plus 5 into multiply 2 plus 8, this is bracket close negative, and 32 divided by 8, this is the bracket. So these are three brackets, this is an small parenthesis and this is bracket. So after that there is a number which is out of the bracket. So first of all keep in mind bracket of De Moivre's rule. This will help you to solve these type of question, bracket of division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. So first of all, starting from this bracket, this is from this negative 15 plus 5 is equal to negative 10, this is negative 32 division 8, this is a bracket and this is out of the bracket. Now negative 10 multiply 2 plus 8, 32 plus 8, this is a bracket, negative 7. Okay, first bracket is over. Now here this is addition, this is multiplication, this is subtraction. So follow the rule, De Moivre. What is De Moivre? Division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. First of all, division, division is not available, then multiply. Multiply two numbers. First of all, you have to see that in this bracket, there is a, in this bracket there are negative 10 multiply 2. So these two number will be multiplied first, negative 20 plus 8. Okay, now negative 20, this is negative 12. Okay, if you follow the rule then it is very simple, otherwise there is a chance of mistake. Negative 12 negative 32 divided by 8, negative 7. Okay, till now again these three numbers, negative 12 negative 32 divided by 8, in De Moivre we will use De Moivre. There is a division, so apply division first. Negative 12 negative 32 divided by 8 is equal to 4. Okay, again this is negative 16. Now this is negative 7. So negative 16 plus 7, this is negative plus, and your answer will be negative 9. Your answer is negative 9. Got it? Thank you for watching this video.